Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create your own stickers from Instagram story for your Instagram. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you are stay in the home section, and after that you just need to slide your screen into the right side to access the Instagram story. And whenever you are in an Instagram story section, go click this part and you just need to decide which picture that you want to upload. And to create your stickers, you just need to go click these symbols and go click cut out. Make sure that you already update your Instagram into the latest versions so that these features will be available for you. And after that, you will cut this direct access to cut the object, and if you are satisfied, go click use sticker. And now you already got the sticker for your Instagram story picture, and then just need to place it into the specific positions that you want to have it. So that's the way how to create your own stickers only with Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.